Sniper again, Kodak. Cause I got it by myself.
Today's video, I got a crazy ass mod. My car is gonna be stupid loud. I got some long tube headers and some catless mid pipes. We is ready, I'm about to hear it. My car is finally ready, has the cam in it. I'm about to go hear it for the first time. You guys are gonna see my reaction. Let's get it. All right, first time in 2 weeks, I'm about to hear it. My drag radials, got them because like the stock tires, like my car is too fast, the tires will just spin. In my SRT, this thing is an absolute monster. It's finally ready. It's the 5-speed versus the 8-speed. And we out, finna go gap this SS. Let me know how much you guys think CarMax would offer me for my fully built SRT8. Today's video, I'm gonna be letting my girlfriend drive my SRT. Hopefully she doesn't kill us. Can't hook, I'm gonna try this one more time. Do like a baby little launch. I will be parting out my SRT8. All right, y'all, we're at the tire shop. I'm taking off the street radials I have on. These guys actually bought my car. These guys came to check out my car. I did not expect to sell it, y'all, but I mean, they cashed me out, so I'm selling it to them. I'm putting some different tires on. I guess the drive home will be the final drive of this thing. All right, y'all, the SRT has got new wheels on it. This is a dude's shop. Let me show y'all real quick. He will hook y'all up if y'all are in Dallas. Y'all hit this man up, he's cheap. Got some brand new wheels on the back, selling the SRT. Oh man. This is the last time your boy is gonna be with my car. Take a look at it. I actually just met this guy the other day. If y'all are in Dallas, pull up. He is cheap for tires, y'all, like for real. Basically, I've been having people waste my time. Y'all know I was not expecting to sell it today, but that's actually what's happening. So we just swapped the tires, the big ass tires I had on this one. I bought some 275s to sell them with, and I'm actually putting those tires on a Camaro. Y'all stay tuned for that. This is literally the last footage of my car. My GoPro died. I did not expect to sell this today, y'all. Otherwise, I would have came more prepared. I'm gonna miss this car, y'all. It has been a long journey, but you know, I'm selling it for like a steal of a price and I'm ready to move on. Hopefully y'all rock with me, like for real. And I guess my last drive is gonna be back on the way to the crib. Oh my, this is how it looks with 275s on here. I mean, they still look kind of big though, right? Street radios in here, the Nittos, them hoes were expensive, y'all, but y'all hit up these dudes and this is the last footage of my car before the last drive I get with it. So I'm gonna miss it, y'all. Like, damn, thank y'all for the support over the years. I know I haven't been that constant on my uploads, but I mean, I appreciate y'all supporting me no matter what. I guess we'll start this beast up in a minute and have my last drive with her, y'all. All right, y'all, last cold start on this beast, a warm start. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna miss this bitch. About to get the last drive right now. Last drive in this car. I was not expecting to sell it today, but shit happens, I guess. I thought they were just gonna waste my time, so got the tires. We're gonna put them on the Camaro later, probably in another video, but this is my last time driving this car, y'all. I think I'm just in shock. Like, I can't believe I'm selling it, but hey, this is the last drive, I guess. This guy keeps trying to race me. Look at his license plate. It says Mert SRT. I just gapped him and I was spinning. This guy I'm selling my car to is probably having the time of his life watching this. I was wondering why I couldn't hook on 40, and then I forgot we just swapped the tires out. But yeah, that was kind of funny. I just met up with this dude. He was trying to buy my car, but he's literally like a couple minutes too late. He said he actually had a what? SRT? Jeep? Yeah, this is his truck. Sounds pretty good though. It sounds good though. It does sound good. I don't know if y'all heard me, but that guy, that truck literally pulled over and was like, I want to buy your car. And I was like, well, I already have it sold. Look at this Z01 right here. Y'all think I should gap him? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is gonna be the last tunnel pull y'all have ever heard with my car. All right, y'all, here it is. Look at her, take care of her, the new owner. Alright, bro. Damn, new owner, y'all. I'm gonna miss her, y'all. Y'all just sold the beast. Going to put our brand new rotors on here. We haven't put on here yet. Look at these wheels. Some slicks on the front.
Yeah, bro, you said it like it's easy.
Oh, wait. Next morning, y'all, Cowboy Carter got his little hat on, man. You know shit's about to get real, but I mean, I sold my car last night. I just wanted to talk with you, I guess, about that. Honestly, I was like just so in shock yesterday when I sold it, but now I'm like, honestly, I woke up feeling great. I don't miss it or anything. Sorry, y'all, but I mean, you know, we got a Camaro SS, and in the meantime, I'm gonna figure out what the next car for the channel will be soon. So y'all stay tuned for that, but thank y'all for the support over the years. I'm in my man cave right now, my little workspace, shit like that. Y'all hit me up for whatever wrap y'all need done. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that little photo shoot from last night with my boys SRT8. And yeah, man, it's just been a long journey with the SRT8. I think I talked about everything, guys. Thank y'all for supporting the channel no matter what. Y'all go ahead and like the video, man, and honor the SRT. I guess I'll see you on the next one. It's been Cowboy Carter, and I'm out.